is a no-go. Um, the more I talk with it in my mouth, I feel like the longer I have it in, the more I talk with it in my mouth, will give me more practice of with the spit in between it, because I feel like it's gathering a lot of spit in between it, and that's where I have the discrepancy, and it's not feeling secure to me. Even though it may be secure, it's not feeling secure to me. So I don't know, but like I said, I definitely will continue to work on having a better speech pattern and just the way I communicate with these in my mouth, because people are going to be focused on my mouth because my face is large. I have a large face. And, people look you in your face when you speak. And if my teeth looking like they fake, then that's a problem. So, yeah, if the kids notice it, then that's definitely not a good look. I guess I'll take it from there.